Masquera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kakiptanka kukuya panino channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa karo ka subscriber. Please don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takuigira inya buditskwa ne the masungomira ya Buddha chitaura ya wachichiti the blue movement ya Yanga Chamisa yakaita zvinorova muri Zimbabwe zviri kunzi yakasiya yayanika police pachena zviri kunzi vane workshop yavanga vanayo kumucheke hall muri Zimbabwe. So zviri kunzi the police payakaziva kuti this blue movement yaida kuita workshop yavo zviri kunzi vakaenda vachida kunobloka the venue muri Zimbabwe. Zviri kunzi then secretly mushure mekunge vablokerwa venue yavo vakachuza another venue secretly vakanoitira kune private hotel. So zviri kunzi this event yakaitwa musi pawiki musi Saturday hanzi asi nhasi musi Monday police ndopa yazodiscover kuti this workshop yakaitwa secretly to another venue muri Zimbabwe. Zviri kunzi about 200 macluster leaders Yanga Chamisa vanga vari involved with this workshop muri Zimbabwe. Masungomira yakabuda kataura ichiti the Yanga Chamisa's blue movement yesterday sold YeZRP at them and kept corps led by Superintendent Elizabeth Chipakacha ward at Mucheke Wall, where they had gone to bar a workshop of over 130 cluster leaders who had come from all over the country from taking place. After getting wind of blockage, Chamisa's loyalists secretly moved to Chevron and held the workshop while police camped at the whole day. The cluster leaders had come, one each per district, plus the movement's administrative officers. Sources said police had no right to bar a workshop and the action was therefore unlawful. Police only knew today that the meeting took place in Zimbabwe. Ndofunga pane video yatoda kuratidzai the police varunzi vakaswera vakakempa pamucheke hall pavaifungidzira ndo pari kuitwa this workshop. Macluster leaders CCC akaita this workshop kune imwe venue in secret muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. Toda kuti mungoona kashort video aka the police yakakemba pamucheke hall muri Zimbabwe.
Hanzi zvado vakadi toda kusimudza kamera vakadi
tofunga mangoona that short video yakasendwa ne Change Radio vachitaura ivo vachiti a large contingent of approximately 100 heavily armed police officers in Masvingo has forcefully prohibited a gathering of prominent leaders aligned with President Yanga Chamisa at Mucheke Hall, Masvingo Urban today. And the scheduled meeting aimed to bring together over 200 pro-Chamisa members, including members of parliament who support President Chamisa from different provinces, as well as cluster leaders from across Zimbabwe and other notable figures. The organization of this assembly was overseen by the organizing department of the pro-Chamisa. Unfortunately, the police officers have effectively sealed off all access points to Macheke Hall, denying anyone entry. In addition, patrol vehicles carrying police officers have been observed repeatedly circling the vicinity of Mucheke Hall. At the time of writing this report, the reasons behind the prohibition of the meeting remain unknown. It is important to highlight that the incidents of police officers obstructing President Chamisa's gathering have occurred on multiple occasions. In previous instances, the police in Masungwe have resorted to use the use of excessive force to disperse and prevent pro-Chamisa members from attending their meetings. During the lead-up to the 2023 harmonized elections, tear gas was deployed by the police to disperse President Chamisa supporters at Mamutse Stadium, where he had addressed a crowd of over 20,000 supporters. In contrast, gatherings organized by the ZANU-PF party proceed without interruption. Those Gabuditzwa Change Radio wakaposta this with a video ya mkona irapo police over 100 police 100 mapurisa yanga akatendera the mucheke wo chinze asi vana Amos Chibaya while the police vakaspanze ana Amos Chibaya vakatsvaga imwe venue in secret vakano ita workshop ya once the police yakasiwa the whole day vakagada pamucheke vachifunga kuti they were going to block this meeting, only to find out later kuti the meeting yakazoitwa pane another secret venue muri Zimbabwe. Tikaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudziwe zvamukufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section. So toda kusiya muchiona video revanhu vakaatenda this meeting muri Zimbabwe, mapro Chamisa cluster leaders vakaatenda this event, and it turned out to be a success muri Zimbabwe. Honai video modza zvamukufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.